Are you thinking of buying from Clara and Simon Jewelry? Hold on before you spend a single dollar, because what we found about clarasimontoronto.com might completely change your mind. At first glance, the website looks classy, promising premium jewelry from Toronto with global shipping and huge discounts up to 80% off. But when we looked closer, the story didn't quite match the shine. The site claims the brand was established back in 1996, but its domain was only registered in September 2025, raising serious doubts about its history. Even more concerning, many of the images used for their founders and models appear to be AI-generated, which makes the brand's authenticity questionable. The jewelry pictures themselves seem to be copied from various online marketplaces, suggesting they might not actually produce these designs. Then there's the issue of urgency. Flashing timers, limited stock alerts, and pop-ups claiming people are buying the same item right now. Classic marketing tricks often used by low-trust stores to create fake pressure. When we searched for verified customer reviews, there were none. No feedback on trusted sites, no social media presence, and no proof of real customers showing their purchases. While the website layout looks sleek and the offers sound tempting, everything from its recent domain registration to its AI visuals and lack of transparency makes it hard to confirm whether this store is legitimate or just another short-lived online setup. In short, Clara and Simon Jewelry gives off a polished first impression but leaves behind too many unanswered questions. So, before you order that luxury necklace or ring, take a moment to think. Is the deal really worth the risk, or just another online illusion designed to sparkle but never deliver?